Hi, Hank from SixFourTrading. What is in your pre-market checklist? We're going to go over really quick what are some of the top listings that I put in my checklist before I trade. So the first thing is you need to have a strategy identified. If you don't have a strategy, you shouldn't be trading. You don't have a plan, you shouldn't be trading, right? If you don't have a plan, then you plan to fail. Then you want to be able to scan for your strategy right around 8 o'clock a.m. because that's when most of the markets, pre-markets from most brokers are open. They start at 4, but some of them straggle along 7:30. I think Schwab does around 7:30, 8 a.m. So you want to get the most volume in the market when you run your scans. Then you want to consolidate those scan results. You want to make sure that you don't have 50 results or 10 to 15 results. You want to have at least a list of about 10, and then you want to be able to pick the top 3 out of that list because you can't trade all 10 at the same time. You need to be able to focus on your trades, give them your full attention as much as possible as you're trading with your money. I'm sure you want to do that. Then you want to build a watch list. You want to be able to take those 3, you want to put on there, okay, was there news? Was there a catalyst? What's the reason for this trade? Why am I in this trade? Put the strategy next to that trade so that way you know what you're doing before the market opens at 9:30. That's my pre-market checklist overview. That's what I do. I hope this helped you. SixFourTrading. Thank you for joining.